What Nina eats in a day. Hi, I'm Nina. I am 3 years old and I live in a cozy home with my mom and dad. Every day I eat yummy vegan food that keeps me healthy and strong. Do you want to see what I eat in a day? Let's go together. I start my day with fruits. Sometimes I eat apples, sometimes strawberries, and sometimes both. I also dip my fruits in peanut butter because it's creamy and delicious. It gives me energy to play and smile in the morning. After fruits, it's time for breakfast. Today I am eating poha with green peas. It's a dish made with flattened rice, spices, veggies, and peanuts. It's so tasty and healthy. My mom makes everything fresh and warm every day. Breakfast makes me ready for my busy day. At lunchtime, I usually eat dal and rice. It's soft, warm, and very comforting. I also have cucumber slices that are crunchy and fresh. Lunch is simple, but it makes my tummy so happy. When I hold my spoon, I take a big bite of rice with dal. I feel so good. The cucumber adds a cool crunch to every bite. Eating slowly makes me enjoy the taste even more. It's one of my favorite meals of the day. In the evening, I drink a cup of orange juice. It's sweet and tangy and tastes like sunshine. I also put in my vitamins by myself: iron, vitamin D, and B12. That makes me feel like a big girl who takes care of her health. Dinner is special because we eat together as a family. I love twirling spaghetti with my little fork. Sometimes we have roti and sabji too, which are so colorful and tasty. Roti is Indian flatbread made from multi-grain flour and sabji is a stir-fried vegetable. My mom and dad smile as we share our food and laugh together. Before bed, I drink my soy milk. It's warm, smooth, and helps me feel sleepy. Then I cuddle with my favorite dolls while dad tells me a bedtime story. My eyes slowly close and I drift into sweet dreams. Recap: I ate fruit and traditional dishes. My mom gave me some supplements. Dad told me a bedtime story. Questions: what fruits do you like to eat? Have you tried any of my meals? Do you drink orange juice at home? Who read you bedtime story? Thank you for watching.